Struggling to export your customer data from Whop? In under 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly where to click. First, log into your account. Then we'll navigate through the sidebar to the Export button. Let's go step by step.
Start by logging into your Whop account with your credentials.
Then, from the left sidebar, click on Your Business to open its settings.
Now click on Dashboard to view your business overview.
Next, navigate to the Users section to see your customer list. Click the Export button to open the export options. Then, click Export to generate the file. Once the export is complete, you'll have your customer data file ready. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.